Hello everyone, and this is an introduction to computing. Today we will start with the evolution of computing. Now, we will start with the basic. What is computer?
What is computer? A programmable electronic device that accepts raw data as input and processes it with a set of instructions, a program, to produce the result as output. The term computer is derived from the Latin word computere, which means to calculate. A machine that performs processes, calculations, and operations based on instructions provided by a software or hardware program. They are also designed to execute applications. Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the computer.
Thank you, Romar. So, can you tell us more on what is a computer?
A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It is designed to process data, provide useful information, and solve problems. It has the ability to store and retrieve data. Through the use of computer, you can create presentations, type documents, prepare letters, sending mails, edit or create videos and spreadsheets, internet banking service, and browse the web. This will help you understand how computers evolve, explains the major functions of computer, learn the characteristics of computer, and classification of computer.
And what are the benefits of these computers we speak of?
Benefits of using a computer increases your productivity. A computer increases your productivity. For example, after having a basic understanding of a word processor, you can create, edit, store, and print the documents easily and quickly. Second, connects to the internet. It connects you to the internet that allows you to send emails, browse content, gain information, use social media platforms, and more. Third is storage. A computer allows you to store a large amount of information. Is organized data and information. It not allows only allows you to store data but also enables you to organize your data. It improves your abilities. It helps write good English if you are not good at spelling and grammar. Sixth one is the assist the physically challenged. It can be used to help the physically challenged who was not able to speak use computer to speak. It can also be used to help blind people by installing special software to read what is on the screen. Then one is keeps you entertained. You can use the computer to listen to songs, watch movies, play games, and more. The computer has become part of our life. There are plenty of things that we do in a day that are dependent on a computer. Some of the common examples are as follows. First one is ATM. While withdrawing cash from an ATM, you are using a computer that enables the ATM to take instructions and dispense cash accordingly. The second is the digital currency. A computer keeps a record of your transactions and balance in your account, and the money deposited in your account in a bank is stored as a digital record or digital currency. Third is trading. Stock markets use computers for a day-to-day trading. There are many advanced algorithms based on a computer that handle trading without involving humans. Fourth one is the smartphone. The smartphone that we use throughout the day for calling, texting, browsing is itself a computer. Last one is VoIP. All voice over IP communication is handled and done by computers.
Thank you, Melson. And what are the functions of our so-called computers and how many are them?
Four basic function of computer. First, input function. Input function is the computer function accept data from input devices and send it to the computer processor. Also, the raw information entered into a computer from the input devices. The example of input function is the keyboard, mouse, stylus, and touch screen. The digital cameras, microphones, scanners, and joysticks can also be used to input the information into a computer. That is the example of input function. Next, we proceed to the data processing function. Data processing function is the most basic function of the computer. The operation of data as per instruction. This function is the central processing unit or CPU, which consists of electronic circuits that can read and execute code instruction to perform a wide range of tasks, from performing complex mathematical calculation to sorting the entries in a database. Also, the CPU can be seen as the brain of the computer, or accepting data and instruction, executing command, storing results in memory card, and sending data and output devices. It can also controls the sequence of operation and the use of data storage. Next, we proceed to the output function. What is output function? Output function is the process of producing the useful information for the user after processing input data. After processing input data function of the default or configured output device. What are the example of output function? The example of output function: monitor, printer, speaker and displays and plays the process data respectively. Next, we proceed to the data storage. Data storage function. What is data storage function? The data storage function is the most useful function of a computer in database. Besides storing data that has been input through peripherals, computer need a way to save the results of data processing. We have the two types of data storage. What are they? The two types of data storage is the temporary storage and permanent storage. What are the difference of temporary and the permanent storage? The difference of these two types of difference of data storage is temporary. This temporary storage components are used to hold data temporarily. The temporary storage is he can use temporarily. Data stored in a temporary storage component is erased when the system is shut down, while the permanent storage, their components is used to store data permanently. That is the difference of the two types of data storage. What are the example of data storage function? The example of data storage function is the hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD or DVD, floppy, memory card, pin drive or tape. That is the example of data storage.